Good evening, Valley, and welcome back. I'm Jessica Montoya with your Fox 2 weather report. Belén de Leon has the night off. And let's begin to talk about the different advisories that have been going on throughout the week. As we can see, still some showers and different advisories such as flash floods over the area in the states of Idaho and also of Montana. And as we can see, same story for the northeastern part of the United States. You know, different types of alerts, not only the possible hail that is going to go, but also the damaging winds and, of course, the major flooding over the area. But now let's move on and talk about the tropics. What is going on with these new tropical waves forming in the Atlantic? So far, we're going to be monitoring, even though they're not a major threat so far. They're basically getting its form there. But what about this low pressure system that has been going on for the past couple of days? As we can see, still providing heavy showers towards the area of Hispaniola, as we can see, as Jamaica and also Cuba. And even though its direction will eventually move towards the Atlantic Ocean, well, so far it's going to be causing major flooding over the area. But now let's move on and talk about our first hurricane of the season, and that would be Adrian. Adrian so far is considered to be Category 3, and even though it's not a threat into Mexico, but it will eventually lose its force, its formation, its circulation, and it will turn into a tropical depression. But now let's talk a little bit about here at our home. I mean, we've been feeling very hot temperatures. Oppressive heat is what is going on here in the state of Texas and also for the Rio Grande Valley. And even though it's summer-like temperatures, once again, let me remind you that summer doesn't officially start until June the 21st. But we can still feel those very hot temperatures like in Bronzeville right now in Harlingen and McAllen. Temperatures are 88, 89, and 93 degrees for Wasaga, Edinburg, and the Rio Grande City. Temperatures between 91 and 96. And our local winds, we can see that at South Padre Island at 17 miles per hour, the city of Bronzeville at 14. We also can expect high-speed winds by this weekend. We can see that in Edinburg, McAllen, and Harlingen, anywhere from 16 to 19 miles per hour. And for those of you in Rio Grande City, winds also at 18 miles per hour. And later on tonight, temperatures will be at 75 degrees under mostly clear skies. South is coming from 10 to 15 miles per hour. But for those of you who are planning a trip into northern Texas, we can see that all you're going to find are in the triple digits, maybe for those of you in Laredo, close to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. But if you go all the way to Lubbock and Dallas, temperatures will be at around 98 and 96 degrees. For those of you Austin and Houston, 95, and for a low of 73 for both of the cities. And as we go deeper down into Texas, we can see that here in our area, we're going to find very much like hot temperatures as well for South Padre Island at 88, Port Isabel 89. As we move further down, Harlingen, Wasaga, Edinburg, and McAllen between 94 and 96 degrees. And for those of you in Roma and Rio Grande City, temperatures at 94 and 97. Now let's take a look into our extended weather forecast for the following days. We're going to see that tomorrow a high of 96, low of 75. For Sunday, we're expecting a day a little bit windy, a high of 96, low of 77. And for the next couple of days, also for the following week, Monday through Wednesday, we're going to be expecting very hot temperatures, 95, 97, and a low of 76. That is all I have for you tonight. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, but don't go away. More when we come back here on Fox 2 News.